Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to buy an Amazon gift card for another country. First, open your web browser. Go to the Amazon website that matches the recipient's country. For example, if your friend lives in Canada, go to amazon.ca. This is important because gift cards only work in the country where they are purchased. Once you are on the correct site, look at the top menu and find the section called Gift Cards. Click on it. Then choose the option to send a gift card by email. This is usually labeled as email or e-gift card. Next, enter the details. Choose the amount you want to send. Make sure the amount is in the local currency of that country. Then, type in the recipient's email address. You can also add a short message if you want. Select the delivery date. If you want the gift card to be sent right away, choose today's date. After that, click Add to Cart and go to Checkout. Log into your Amazon account or continue as a guest if that option is available. Enter your payment information and complete the purchase. The recipient will receive an email with a code. They can redeem this code on their local Amazon account and the balance will be added to their account. Thanks for watching.